The nice thing about this wardrobe closet is it works great for a room like this. I'm in my office right now, but I find I spend most of my time in my office that doesn't have a closet for me to store clothes in. So if I have something like this, then I can easily store clothes or other things in this. This is especially nice for makeshift bedrooms or guest rooms or something like that, where you might not have a closet or the closet's full or you just need some extra space. This was sent to me so I could try it out and make this video. The most important things I think that you should be aware of is the material itself. This is wood. It seems to be an MDF wood, so it is really quite heavy actually, but also it means that this is quite sturdy as well, which I appreciate. As far as the assembly goes, it all came together packaged very well. It was very easy to put together, or very easy to understand. Everything is labeled. It has a number on it, very clear instructions. It does come with all of the tools that you need to put this together. That being said, I highly recommend you use an electric screwdriver or an electric drill very carefully, because this does take quite a while to put together. Now, I put this together while I was watching TV, so it took me longer than probably normal if I was just focusing on it. But I would say you should expect at least a couple of hours to put this together. There are a lot of screws that you need to put in. You need to screw together every single piece of wood, screw on the tracks to the wood and everything like that. The end result, I'm very happy with. The drawers slide out very nice. The doors have a magnet, so it kind of stays shut. You can see it's fairly tall. I'm 5'11", so I think this is probably 6 foot. One other thing I think you should be aware of, it might be just for this wardrobe, but the bar that goes across on the closet, it was a little bit too long, so I did have to file that down for a couple of minutes before I could get it to fit in this. I'm very happy with the design, very happy with the instructions. It does take a while to put together, probably help if you had a couple people doing it at the same time. I did it completely by myself though, so you could certainly do it. If you need an extra closet, this is a great option.